factory of 450. So 450, it can be written as 2 times 225. 2 times 225 means 450. 225, it can be written as 3 times 75. 3 times 75 means 225. Now 75, it can be written as 3 times 25. 3 times 25 means 75. Now 25, it can be written as 5 times 5. 5 times 5 means 25. So now we select the prime numbers among these numbers. So prime numbers here is 2, 3, 3, 5 and this 5. So now we can write 450 is equal to product of all these prime numbers, that is 2 times this 3 times this 3 times this 5 times this 5. So this much for today and thanks for watching.